If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this is for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop struggling and start thriving financially. And it works, even if you feel like you've fallen behind for years. Want to know why most people never get ahead? Let's fix that, starting today. Most people think financial freedom is only for the lucky or the rich. And that's why they stay stuck. Mindset traps, missing systems, inconsistent habits. That's what holds people back. Ever wonder why you work hard but never get ahead? Why does money always feel like it slips through your hands? Sarah, 32, was living paycheck to paycheck. She tracked just two habits: daily spending and recurring subscriptions. Within 6 months, she saved $500 extra per month without cutting her lifestyle. Tom realized he wasn't investing his bonus. After redirecting it into an ETF, it grew $3,200 in just 1 year. Step 1. Track your money religiously. If it's invisible, it's unmanageable. Step 2. Automate your savings and investments. Even $50 a week grows over time. Step 3. Focus on income growth, not just cutting expenses. Small side hustles compound massively. Step 4. Reframe failure. Each mistake is a lesson, not a setback. John freelanced an hour a day. 1 year later, he earned $12K extra, enough to cover rent. Lena used cashback apps and savings hacks. Within 6 months, she had $1,200 extra for her emergency fund. Even small wins, like skipping one unnecessary coffee a day, compound over time. That's the sweet approach to building wealth. How much could you save if you automated just $20 a week? What would even a small side income mean for your stress levels? Notice how all these examples share one thing: consistency beats intensity. If you want more actionable steps, subscribe to Money Booster and grab our free newsletter. Start your wealth journey today. Link in the description. Step 5. Set clear financial goals. Monthly, quarterly, yearly. Without targets, it's easy to drift. Step 6. Build multiple income streams. Even one small extra stream makes a huge difference over time. Step 7. Invest consistently, not sporadically. Dollar cost averaging beats timing the market. Step 8. Track your progress weekly. Review what works, tweak what doesn't. Small adjustments compound like interest. Emma invested $200 a month starting at age 28. By 38, her account grew to $45K. No inheritance, no bonuses. Mark added tutoring as a side hustle. In 12 months, he fully paid off his credit card debt. Sarah, from earlier, now has enough passive income to cover 3 months of expenses, just from automating and tracking consistently. What could even $50 a week do for you if you start today? Could a single side hustle change your next year? Combine mindset shifts from Section 2 with these actions. Action without mindset fails. Mindset without action doesn't grow wealth. Start small, scale consistently. Compounding works for money and habits alike. Imagine yourself 10 years from now, financially free, confident, thriving. Every small step you take today compounds into freedom later. Stop struggling, start thriving, and own your financial future. Subscribe to Money Booster for quick money tips, side hustle ideas, and expert hacks. Don't forget to grab our free newsletter, link in the description. Start your wealth journey today.